blend hops and roast ups, and we just got back from a fabulous workcation in Las Vegas, Nevada. We do it every once in a while. We take the show with us and to showcase what we do, because there's a lot of really neat things out there to do. And today we got some really neat things to show. Now, before we go any further with this, we did a bar crawl down the Fremont Street experience, which is really, really awesome. But before we get to that, we ate a lot, we drank a lot, we had some good food, had some good drinks, and we got some really good deals. The best deal, I think, in all of Las Vegas is probably through the My Vegas app. Now, they don't pay us to say this. I'm saying this because if you're going to go there, it's kind of expensive. So you want to kind of like stretch your dollar as much as possible. And we did. We got this 2-for-1 deal at Tom's Watch Bar, because it used to be called Tom's Art. It's called Tom's Watch Bar now. And it's 2 40-ounce beers, anything they have on tap, for the price of one. So for about $20 each, we got to drink 80 ounces of beer in these big glasses. Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
A big beer.
Big beer.
Mm-hmm. It's one of my favorite, actually, in the Las Vegas area. Big Dog, Dirty Dog IPA. It's not just because it's a black dog on the label.
It helps.
Oh, God. Yeah, it does help. It's really good. It's really, really good IPA, which is pretty bitter, actually. I know you don't really like bitter. You want to try it?
Yeah, she's. I'm
bitter
enough.
Ooh. How about that? She says he's bitter enough.
It's good though.
It is a good IPA. It's delicious. I love
bitter,
it.
But it's a good beer.
It's a big one, too.
I'm drinking. You to get so up close and personal.
Take it outside.
Golden Road Hefeweizen. It's yummy, as the kids say.
And the one night we were looking for something really fun to do, so we decided to do a bar crawl. And, well, you know what? I'm just going to show you. This is how it turned out. Here's our bar crawl from fabulous Las Vegas, Fremont Street. Move over, ordinary pub crawls. Royal Crawl has raised the bar on bar hopping. Armed with the Royal Crawl app, we embarked on a boozy escapade through the neon wonderland known as Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. Now, I want to say a special thanks to the Leshkos for mentioning this bar crawl to us. It's 6 stops, 5 drinks, trekking through the wonderfully weird Fremont Street experience. Now, you could do them in any order, and you could also participate in a virtual poker game, collecting a card at each stop. The best hand of the day wins a prize. Here's how it all went down. Stop 1, the Overhang Bar Circa Hotel and Casino. Kicking things off in style, we sipped on a Bombay Sapphire Gin and Tonic at this swanky brand new joint. The drink was crisp, the vibe was electric, plus we found these two doing, I have no idea what. Stop 2, Club 1 in Circa, because nothing says bar crawl like a pit stop, for a $25 in table game match play. How did we do? Well, let's not talk about it. Stop 3, the Mega Bar. We're still in Circa. This massive watering hole delivered a Voodoo Ranger Hazy IPA, and Desiree enjoyed an 805 by Firestone Walker, both solid beers, and some video poker was enjoyed at this massive bar. Stop 4, Bar Prohibition at the Golden Gate Casino. I like the vibe. I like what it looks like. I like the Golden Gate. But, the dreaded bottom shelf gin and tonic. Des took one sip, looked me dead in the eye, and said, "It tastes like regret and juniper." But we drank them anyway, proving our commitment to the bar crawl.
I'm sorry, the Golden Gate. I love you. I love the money, but this gin and tonic tastes like dirt.
Stop 5, Bar Canada at the D Hotel and Casino.
And I just spilled my gin and tonic in my purse.
Even though Des spilled her drink, things took a turn for the better at Bar Canada with Beer Zombies Zombie Duck Hunter IPA. And the last stop, the Long Bar at the D Hotel and Casino. Hey, when you find a beer you love, you stick with it. Another round of Zombie Duck Hunter sealed the deal.
It's so good, I needed another. Awesome. I love the fair. So, salute to that company for making a very good West Coast IPA, no frills, no juicy bits, so decently hoppy, good all around. I like this. I like this a lot. What do you think, baby?
It's delicious. And our bartenders are super cool here. One was from kind of our area, so they're here with a Chino. I got to connect with. This was so great. This was awesome. Yeah, serious. We'll do it, got it.
Now, Fremont Street served up its usual blend of eccentric characters, girls dancing on stages, dancing on bars, and we met a few really interesting people.
We got one of our buddies who's turning 50 years old, and we're just supporting him through his journey.
Now, hungry from our escapades, we tried to snag a slice at the legendary Evil Pie, but it was packed tighter than my wallet after the blackjack loss. So a quick Uber ride brought us to Giordano's, where deep dish pizza dreams came true for us. This Royal Crawl adventure was a success. We experienced some great Fremont Street boozy delights. Now, as far as the poker game goes, well, I won. And I won a free entry to Stadium Swim at Circa. But unfortunately, we couldn't use it since our trip was ending the next day. Now, here's a pro tip. Avoid bottom shelf gin and always have a backup pizza plan. Cheers. Now, coming up, we have more from the Las Vegas area, but this time we go straight into the Mojave Desert for a post-apocalyptic gathering of gamers at the oldest saloon in the state of Nevada. Be right back.